Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a fun, quick card using the September to December Sunflower Fields Designer Series paper. This is a sneak peek. So we're going to be using also the Radiant Sunflowers bundle. So that's the stamp set and the dies. So this all comes in a suite together. And we're going to be using some other items from this suite, okay? So, again, this is a sneak peek. And we're also going to be using the July 2026 sheet load of cards by Call Me Crafty Al. So, we're going to be using this sketch here, all right? So, before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over to Buzzworthy Business of the Day. We have our Aspens of Gratitude paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 10 cards. Early Espresso is the ink spot. Detailed Floor Dies as an add-on, coordinates with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits. And I do have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. You have until September 10th to subscribe to get this particular kit, okay? Next, we have our product of the month. This is the Glow of Harvest Specialty Designer Series paper. It is 12 by 12. You get 12 sheets, 2 each of 6 single designs. You can add this exclusive product for only $5 when you spend $75 or more in a single order, okay? These are while supplies lasts. Next, we have a sale going on where you get 15% off select designer series paper and cardstock. The sale is over August 31st. Lastly, we have our Stampin' Rewards program. This is where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. You redeem those rewards on future orders. You track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up account, and those rewards do expire 12 months after the earning date, all right? And you must opt in to the rewards program. I can't stress that enough. In order to earn the rewards, you have to opt in. It's free. It's not going to cause you any harm. I promise you. People are ordering, and you're missing out on free merchandise, money that goes towards your merchandise. Okay, that is all of our buzzworthy business. Let's get started on this project here. So let's get our inside. We have some basic white here. This is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and we're just going to add a little banner to this. I need to cut this, so we're not going to do this first because I want to add it to this first. So we're going to stamp on this in Mossy Meadow. And I'm going to stamp Hello Friend. And let me put this right here, just so I can gauge where I need to stamp this. Right here. Looks good. Okay, and since we're stamping, I'm going to go ahead and stamp a little butterfly in Daffodil Delight. Let me see, we're going to put that butterfly about right there, like that. That's all the stamping we're going to do. That's all the stamping. Okay, so I am going to put a little stamping seal right here. Ooh, an eyelash. Let's see. I'm going to put this right here along the edge. And we're going to cut this off. And that's that part done, and then we're going to add some Stampin' Seal to this piece. And this is going to get added into our card on the inside, just like this, just like that, okay? So that we have a card base here of Mossy Meadow. This is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. Let's just go ahead and add this to the inside of our card base. Just like that. Okay, next we have our designer series paper. And we're going to be using these 2 pieces here and this Mossy Meadow piece here. We're going to add our stamped image on. Just like this. This card comes together really quickly. Let me see something. I am going to tape this together to make it easy because I want to wrap some ribbon around, and I don't want to add another layer all of my little bits. Excuse me while I clean up. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit of tear and tape. Excuse me if you can hear my grandbabies. They are upstairs giving my son a total fit. They're supposed to be watching a movie, but I don't think they want to. When they hear me talking, they're like, they want to get downstairs with our BB. They don't want to sit up there with him. Oh my goodness. So excuse the crying babies. Let's see. Which way do we want this? Do I want the stripes at the top or the bottom? I think I want the stripes at the bottom. No, I'm gonna do it at the top. At the top, at the top, at the top. Come on, let me go. So I did all that just to do this. Where's my ribbon? I cut a piece of ribbon. This is the Massimero and vanilla, very vanilla gingham. We're gonna put that right here across the middle. And then we're gonna add it to the back here with that tear and tape I placed. If I do this straight, it'll be straight in the front. Okay, now I'm gonna get some liquid glue and we're gonna add this to our card base. Now, what did I say? I wanted the stripes at the top. I guess it's not really stripes, is it? It's like a plaid checker. I don't know, but I'm gonna put it at the top. Whatever the design is. There we go. Next, we are going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. Dimensionals. I don't know why I don't get these out ahead of time. Put some dimensionals here on our little rectangular piece. And yes, I am about to load this down with dimensionals. Sorry. Oh, I don't want that there. I want it there. Let's remove the backings. And we're going to add this on. I'm going to do it a little bit more towards the left than the right. And I want it up a little bit more as well. About right there looks good. And then ahead of time, I tied a little bow and put some tear and tape on the back because you guys know I like tear and tape on my bows. See that little extra bit? We're going to fold under and we're going to pop that on right there like that. Okay, and the last thing we have to do is add some bling. I have the Radiant Gems. This is also part of this suite of products. And we're going to add some of these. We're going to use the Old Olive. It comes in Secret Sea, Old Olive, and Golden Glow. Let's see. Let's put them. I don't think I want them on the side with the bow, do I? Yeah. But I do. I need it on this bigger side, but decisions. You know what? I'm gonna do it different. I'm saying different because I've made some other cards I want to show you. And we'll just do that. Make this one a little different. Isn't that cute? That's the card, you guys. And guess what I did? I did one with every sheet of Designer Series paper in this pack. So this is one sheet, just front and back, okay? Here's another front and back. This is on Occasion Craze base with the same sentiment. Then I did another one. This is on Pecan Pie. And this one says, wishing you so much happiness. But they're all the same. Wishing you so much happiness on Early Espresso. Then we have Golden Glow, thinking of you. Then the last one is a little different. It says enjoy, because I wanted to use all the sentiments in the set, the stamp set. And this is the one we use the dies on. So I die cut this vase with pecan pie. This is old olive for the leaves, daffodil delight for the flowers, and the middles are early espresso. And this is on Secret Sea. So I use almost all the, I think all the colors in this suite of products. Okay, that's it. That's all, you guys. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.